Hello there, friends and family. Welcome again to Nanaaba's kitchen. Today's menu presents hot cereal made from rice and prepared two amazing ways. It is inspired by our Ghanaian rice water. So what we're making is really rice porridge. And what I love the most about these two preparations is how simple it is to prepare, and yet you can really spruce it up and make it very elegant, especially with presentation. So let's get creative, friends. So I have 1 cup of rice which I have soaked for 2 hours. And that's how we begin the first preparation. So this is going to be the smooth rice water or rice porridge. So after 2 hours of soaking, I run some tap water on it to just wash it one more time. And then I blend it. Now I'm going to be blending it into a very smooth texture. That's very important because we want the end product to be silky, smooth, luxurious, melt in your mouth, and give it a very luscious feel in your mouth. So what we're doing is really turning this very simple dish into a more sophisticated dish. We're giving it character and personality. So now I have some water which I have boiled, and really what I did was bring it to a gentle simmer, not a violent boiling action going on. And then I pour in my blended mixture of rice and water while whisking at the same time to prevent it from clumping up and becoming lumpy. Now I cook it after it's smooth for about 15 minutes, about how long it'll take regular rice to cook. And then at that point, I add some salt to season with, and we are almost done cooking. It takes about 20 minutes to cook the whole thing, and we're done. So now we're serving. Now you would think that's it. No. We're not quite done yet. Just hang in there. We're about to spruce it up. Yes, we're about to add some pistachios for that crunch and a little more character, and also some texture, and to bring balance, right? We have these healthy oils in the pistachios, very healthy for you. And then we also have some fruit, and I sweetened it with just a little bit of maple syrup because there's sweetness in the berries we added. And of course, I had to bring that luxury into it by adding some evaporated milk. And what's even more impressive is, friends, I only cooked 1 cup of rice, and yet I got 8 good servings, 1 cup each out of this preparation. Serve this to your friends, your family, and your guests, and they will all be totally impressed. And babies love it too. Now that's win, and win some more. Next on the menu, friends and family, is the textured rice porridge version. And we are going to be needing 1 cup of rice also for this recipe. And we are employing the authentic original preparation style in this rendition. So you need your pot on medium heat, and you're going to add 1.5 liters of water to the pot, and you're going to bring it to a boil. Thing to do is wash your rice thoroughly and incorporate it into the boiling water. And I'm using jasmine rice in this preparation as well. You want to stir it around just to distribute the rice evenly in the pot, and cover the pot partially to prevent it from boiling over. Now you're going to be cooking for about 15 minutes. And then you're going to go back in and stir the pot, and your rice should be starting to soften at this point. But we're going to overcook the rice, and that's what you do when you're preparing hot rice cereal with that texture. You're going to overcook the rice. So usually it'll take you about 20-25 minutes to cook rice to perfection, but in this case we're going to be cooking it for about 40 minutes until the rice is overly cooked and the grains are falling apart and are almost disintegrating in the pot. That's what you want. I've also seasoned a little bit with salt. All right, so there is the texture we're looking for. Also, some of that moisture will evaporate at some point and thicken the rice. So now I have also added some nutmeg, and it brings it that lovely nutmeg bakery essence into the dish, which is just absolutely gorgeous. So see, this is the texture we're going for, and your rice dish is ready. You're ready to serve your rice water or rice porridge. And see how this one has texture? It still melts in your mouth, but it has a little bit of texture. And you're going to serve it with some sugar, maple syrup, any kind of sweetener you like, and any condiments you prefer. In this case, I use granola and my berries, as well as some sugar and the evaporated milk to bring it that elegance. Beautiful bite. I hope you are inspired to try these recipes that are guaranteed to impress. I thank you so much for watching. As always, make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.